Cheating. He's cheating, basically. He's been cheating this whole trip. Calling the girl bae and all. So I got upset and I pushed him. That's all.
Did she tell you why she hit you?
No, I was on the phone with my mom.
On the 13th of May, 2024, police officers were dispatched to Orlando International Airport after receiving a report of an ongoing assault.
Okay, so he and her apparently had a fight now back. They came to my store, they sit down, she sit on the bar, and when in a rage of a second, she went up to him. He was sitting on the window. She pushed him to the window and got the child. Now she wants to go to the gate. I told her she has to wait for you because it's a fight between them.
Gate?
71, something like that.
Can you talk to me?
Want to talk to him or her?
Him first.
Okay.
The manager stated that the woman and child were sitting at the bar before suddenly lunging at the man, pushing him against the glass door, and then leaving with the child. However, the motive behind this action and the relationship between the two remain unclear. Recognizing this as a potentially violent attack, police quickly decided to question the man first to determine what actually happened.
What's going on? What happened?
I got attacked. I was sitting at the table. I got attacked. Everybody seen me get attacked.
Okay. I'm here to help you.
I'm about to miss my flight, bro.
Who attacked you?
My son's mother. She's walking with my son. If you can give me my son, let me board the plane.
Is it her right here?
That's fine.
Is this her right here?
Yeah, that's her right there.
Okay, let me go
give
talk
me my
to
son. I need to get on this last call.
Okay.
This appears to be a case of domestic violence, with the man identified as the direct victim and still in a state of distress. However, at this point, officers are unable to fully ascertain the sequence of events. According to his testimony, the woman suddenly approached and attacked him while he was sitting. Nevertheless, to clarify the motive and avoid drawing hasty conclusions, the police are continuing to question the woman.
Not the police right here. Hello.
What's going on?
Hi. He is...
I don't want you looking at him while you're talking to me.
Yes, okay. He's been domestic to me this whole trip. I'm trying to go home. Now he's trying to play victim in the restaurant. I'm just trying to go home.
Okay.
And go to my gate.
What do you mean by play victim in the restaurant?
Because he's saying that I put my hand on him.
Did you?
I pushed him. That's all I did was push him.
Why'd you push him?
Because I answered his phone, and he was on the phone with another female that we've been getting into it about this whole trip. And so that's why. Being on some cheating. He's cheating, basically. He's been cheating this whole trip. Calling the girl bae and all. So I got upset and I pushed him. That's all. And I took my son. I'm trying to go to my gate. But they won't let me. So that's why I didn't go too far.
No,
because I didn't want y'all. Yeah, I didn't want y'all to have to.
I got to deal with it, right?
Yeah. I don't want you to have to chase me.
ID on you?
Yes, I do.
She admitted to physical contact, but claimed it stemmed from her belief that the man was having an affair, especially after hearing him call someone else babe in front of her. Hearing this, the police interpreted it as an emotional reaction of jealousy, but argued it didn't change the nature of the incident. Even if the infidelity was real, would it justify violence? The answer is no. Despite her subsequent arguments accusing the man, the police didn't consider it a direct factor in the case.
A history of domestic violence with this man. And he's trying to play victim.
Okay.
And I don't like that. I cannot. I just had my ID at the bar. Here it is.
Get that forward him. Right, straight ahead.
And he's about to turn himself in on the 22nd, so he's upset. So he's trying to get me, he's about to turn he's about to turn himself in for a crime. Does he have a warrant
for his arrest?
I don't think he has a warrant, but he's about to turn himself in for a crime in Ohio. It's not in this state. So he's trying to basically drag me down with him. I'm the mother of his child.
What happened inside?
Inside, I pushed him. That was all.
Why did you push him again? Because he was on the phone?
He was on the phone with a girl that he's been cheating on me with this whole trip, this whole weekend.
Both husband and wife presented arguments that benefited their respective sides, preventing the police from immediately concluding who was right and who was wrong in the entire incident. However, the woman's admission of having pushed him was sufficient to establish the initial element of assault during the investigation. To clarify the exact events, the police issued a temporary detention order for both individuals and began the process of verifying direct information, focusing on eyewitnesses at the scene.
25, 40, whatever.
¿Para dónde fue la muchacha?
Okay, so ven acá para explicarte.
Hey, I got his ID. I'll be back.
Okay, so basically, she was sitting down right next to the guy with the blue t-shirt, right? She was sitting right there. He got up. I'm gonna try to watch.
So both of them were together?
I don't know. When they got here, she sit over there.
All right, she's sitting over there.
He sit over here.
Uh-huh.
So when she got up, she went up to him, and she pushed him. If you see, there's a lot of glasses and things on the
So
floor.
she pushed him.
Yeah, she pushed him against the window.
Okay.
And she got on top of him, got the kid, and then took it to the bar. I told her, don't take the kid to the bar. The kid cannot be at the bar. And she ignored me completely. And he kept talking to her, yelling back and forth. So they took it outside. I told her, you cannot leave. You have to wait for the police. I just called them.
Yeah.
And she didn't listen to me. She said, I gotta take the flight.
Okay.
They gave it 71. That's why they told me. I don't know if it's.
And you actually saw it?
No, I was inside. I heard it.
Well, the girl
The
was
one that saw it was my server over there, Ava.
Okay.
She
All
was
right.
standing to him.
I'm pretty sure the other officer's gonna talk to her and get a statement. Okay.
You can see. It's
Yeah, I see that they got that there was a mess there. You see when the female pushed him?
started beating on him.
So she started beating on him. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. Thanks.
Here, I'll see right here. I'll see right here. Relax. No, right here. That way she don't look and give. So what set it off?
I was on the phone with my mother. She thought I was on the phone with somebody else. Came up,
Another-
punched me out of the chair.
To tell you talking to the
Punched me.
girl.
Dude, I'm drinking. He seen it. I got attacked out of the chair. I'm on the phone.
So she thought you were talking to the girl.
Yes, I was on the phone. My mom was on the phone. I can call my mother right now,
Okay.
bro. I was on the phone with my mother. She attacked me. Attacked me. They called the last call on my flight. I'm about to be stranded down here, bro.
Okay.
Last call Delta to Detroit. Gate 72. It's
So that's
right
your
there.
that's your son?
Yes, it's my son. Let him come with me and let me go on the flight,
well, hang
please.
So where were you when this happened?
I was in a chair. I got attacked
Okay, where in the chair?
against the wall. This is glass window right here.
In Bahama
I'm sitting
Breeze over there?
Yes, I'm drinking my drink and I got attacked.
Okay, so she saw you on the phone and that's when she came over?
Yes.
Okay. Were you guys arguing before that?
No. I was on the phone with my mother.
So things were cool before that?
Yes.
Okay. So why would you think that?
I was on the phone with my mother.
No, I'm just saying what.
She took my son had my phone, walked up to his mom. She called somebody off my phone.
Right.
I was on the phone with my mother when she attacked me. This is my mom. Mom, hello.
Okay.
Hello. What happened when you was just on the phone with me less than 20 minutes ago? Okay, that's it.
Okay.
That's it. That's all.
You got your ID with you?
Yep, I gave it to.
Oh, the other officers got it? Okay, don't worry. I didn't know. I didn't see that.
I got attacked, bro. I'm in assaulted. I'm in everything.
Where-
Neck hurt, back hurt, can't feel my neck, can't feel my
Where'd you
back.
strike you at?
She struck me in the face and my back and my neck fell into the wall.
Let me see your neck.
Back here. And it hurts so bad. Ow.
What she hit you with?
She pushed me. She pushed me dead out of the chair, but my neck hit
Okay.
the metal rail. It's glass right here. You got the metal bar.
Okay.
Like if you look at Outback, in Bahama Breeze, you'll see glass and then it's a metal, the little metal trace.
Everybody's saying that she jumped him.
She's the one at 85.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's the one at 85.
Everybody.
See her later.
Everybody.
Filing charges. Let her find her way back home. I'm telling
Just
you,
relax, man.
I gotta get on the flight, man. I got my son and everything. I have to. It's the last call.
I've been going through this since last night. You can ask him at Outback. Before we went to Bahama Breeze, we were at Outback and he completely embarrassed me. The other customers were asking me if I was okay.
So this was today or?
This was today.
Okay.
Last night, today, after 12 a.m.
So, but today, what happened today?
Today, all I did was push him. I didn't do anything but push him.
Okay. But how did that happen and why?
It happened because I was at the bar. He sent my son to the bar. He know kids can't come to the bar. My son had his phone with him. He was on the FaceTime with a girl that he's been basically talking to this whole family trip. So it's obviously upsetting to me.
Okay.
So that was it. But last night he put his hands on me, and yesterday he went off on me.
Okay. Is this a?
But I know at the restaurant the waitresses are probably saying that they seen him. But at Outback they seen him before we went to Bahama Breeze. We were at Outback. He was going off on me. He embarrassed me at Outback and had the customers asking if I was okay. They asked me if I were okay. They were checking on me.
Okay.
And I said I was
And then
okay.
he goes
and I
to
went to he went there to a table and I went to the bar because their blender isn't working and I wanted frozen drink.
Okay.
So that was
What time is your flight?
my flight. I think we already missed my flight. I just dropped my cup. I'm sorry.
Did she tell you why she hit you?
No, I was on the phone with my mom. So listen, Me and my son been sitting there for the last 30, 40 minutes. You can ask anybody in the restaurant. Me and my son been sitting there for the last 20, 30 minutes. He was on his iPad. I got his iPad in there. It died.
So you don't even know why. You don't even know why she.
No, I'm about to tell you. Let me tell you. My son walked up to his mother, because it's his mother. He had my phone in his hand playing the game. She snatched the phone out of his hand, called somebody off my phone. I look over, because my son over there longer than he normally does. My son, he only gonna ask you a question and come back.
Sure.
I look over there, it's 2 minutes. He over there, she called somebody off my phone, getting into an argument. I get my phone back, go back to my seat. 2 minutes later, I'm sipping my drink. A punch comes to my face. I fall out of my chair. Okay. And that's all I remember.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
I'm on the phone with his mother. This is his mother. Right here on the phone with me. She's calling him because she knows he's been acting out since he had to turn.
Do you understand what the problem is? When you tell the police, I pushed him, we have zero choice in how to handle this. None. So we got to see the primary officer, how he's going to...
But push, I didn't assault him. I didn't punch him.
That's a battery.
It wasn't like that
domestic
though.
battery.
By this point, the police had begun to form a fairly clear picture of the incident. What happened at the airport appeared to be the final trigger of a simmering conflict, possibly stemming from disagreements at the restaurant earlier. Based on the combined statements from both sides and independent witnesses, the incident was determined to have begun with an emotional misunderstanding, when the woman believed the man was talking to someone else and called her babe, while in reality it was a call to his mother. Based on the sequence of events confirmed at the scene, police determined that the woman had initiated the physical assault, and this constituted domestic violence. However, before making a formal arrest, they continued to gather further evidence from witnesses, requesting detailed statements to strengthen the case file.
Did you see what happened earlier? I think they pointed. Were you able to write a statement for us?
Yeah, she gave it to me. I'm just going to clear this up for you guys.
Yeah, no, go take care of that. Then if you can come back, though.
I got you, of course.
Thank you.
So what did he say?
Well, pretty much everybody else says.
They were kicked out from Outback because they were fighting. So they came over here. I didn't know.
He came over just to say.
They were separate.
They were separate over here.
They're not even together. They're not even together. She came over here because they have a son in common, but she wanted to come. And he goes, well, we didn't have a problem. Why'd you bring her there? He paid for it to come in for drop.
Nothing makes sense.
We're gonna go get that paperwork.
Speech is going to be placed on arrest. This is my name. I'm going to be one of the arresting officers.
Okay.
This is a case number on back of it.
I appreciate it.
That's filed under.
Appreciate it.
Okay, so we're going to place her on arrest and take care of that.
Can I get my son first?
Yeah, we're going to. Sure. Let's do that.
Police officially notified the husband that his wife would be arrested. However, the officer's greatest concern at this time was the presence of the young boy with his mother. Therefore, they had to carry out the arrest procedure with extreme caution, prioritizing the skillful removal of the child from the scene or using the least disruptive methods possible, in order to avoid negatively impacting the boy psychologically. This demonstrates the humanity and psychological sensitivity of the authorities, as they not only uphold the law but also prioritize the rights and mental safety of children in complex family conflict situations.
Obviously, we're going to take her on arrest. We're going to get the little boy so the little boy doesn't see us for mom or cuffs. Yes, sir.
You're doing mom,
Yes. Sure.
bring her way over.
I'll take her over here. Yeah, I got you. Ma'am. Let's do something. We're going to have to take care of some business here, okay? So you're going to have to get off the phone. Let them know you'll call them later, okay?
I'm gonna have to. Okay.
Okay. We're gonna do this as easy as we can, okay? Okay, so I want you to listen to me, okay? Go and grab that. Hi, Brian. Let's do this.
Say hi.
Hi. Let's do this. What I'd like to do is I'd like all of us to walk over here, just around this corner, okay? Okay? No, it's just, unfortunately, this is something that has. Go and stand up for me. Oh, that's a good boy right there. Let's go and stand up for me. We're gonna walk her over here, and then we're gonna take him over to Daddy.
Okay.
Okay. Let's walk over this way.
We don't want to do any of this stuff in front.
I'm so embarrassed.
All right. Just, let's walk over here to this Stellar News over here, okay? This is. Can you give this to Daddy? This is their food, I guess.
We'll just go behind.
Okay, sounds good. Let's just take a walk. I understand. This is the first time, so we're gonna be very good to you, okay? I get it. Breathe it out. Let's go stand over here. Yeah, we got you. Okay, go ahead and do me a favor. Let me have this. Let's go and put your purse in here. Why don't you shut it off right now so you save battery. Shut it off, save battery. I get it. Okay. All right. You're not going to have to handcuff you now.
Why? No, I've never been
I know.
before. No.
Okay. That's not optional. I understand that's just not optional.
No. I've never been handcuffed before.
Listen. Your son, we don't want your son to hear all this.
No.
We don't want your son to hear. I get it. We're going to be gentle.
All right, just turn around, put your hands behind your back. That's all.
Ma'am, you're gonna go one way or another, so let's make it easy.
Yeah, we'll make it easy. Get your process and
No catch another charge. You just go over there, deal with it.
He's been abusive to me for the last 5 years. I don't know.
Whenever you see the judge, you tell him that. But we have to go by what we. Okay? Stay in Florida.
I didn't even get to say goodbye to my baby.
Well, we didn't want him.
Elevators over here.
It's over here. We didn't want him to see your handcuffs.
I didn't know.
We don't want him to see your handcuffs. You're gonna see him again.
Okay, come on.
Okay,
I got it on this. Yeah, I got it. Okay.
You don't want to attract too much attention. Come on.
You can make this easier on yourself just by cooperating. All right.
No. I don't want to. Please, no. I've never been in the system. No, please, no. No. Bro, he's a liar.
Okay. Let's go inside here. Come on.
No, how did this happen?
Let's go inside.
No. Please.
Okay, let's go forward.
I don't know where he went.
Please.
I don't know where he went.
We'll come on the same. Yeah, we'll come on the same.
Okay.
No, I've never been.
Okay. Just a second. I'm going to readjust these cuffs.
No.
Stand by. No, her hand is slipping out already. Yeah. It's slipping out. Okay, ma'am, I'm going to make a readjustment here. I'm going to make a readjustment.
Somebody please tell me why. Somebody please tell me why. I want to be my baby.
I think we're good on that side. Okay, let's go in.
All right, Terry.
Ma'am, you're going to have to get inside here. Make it easy on yourself. We'll help you. You have to.
All right. You're gonna sit down first.
Sit down. We'll help you.
Let's go back. There you go.
I can't breathe.
Okay.
I have to come down, please. I have to come down.
All right, okay? We'll give you a minute here. We'll give you 1 minute. Just think about it.
No. I just want to breathe.
I get you. Just swing your feet over there, and we'll take care of that. Okay?
I've never been. I'm 25. I've never been back here. I'm never.
I promise you, it's not as big a deal as you think it is.
No.
I promise you
Why
that.
am I back here?
I promise you.
Why?
Finally, she was charged with domestic assault. A question for all of you. After the woman is released, will their relationship return to normal? Or is this the end of a family? What do you think? Please share your thoughts in the comments below.